What you should know about vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health, but what happens when you're not getting enough? In today's video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about vitamin B12, from how it boosts energy and memory to how a deficiency can affect your skin, hair, and even your bones. Whether you're vegan, older, or dealing with health conditions, vitamin B12 could be the key to a better, healthier you. Let's dive into the science of this powerhouse vitamin. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in your overall health. It helps your body produce red blood cells, form DNA, and maintain a healthy central nervous system, including your brain and spinal cord. This vital vitamin also supports the health of your skin, hair, and nails. Sometimes referred to as cobalamin due to its mineral content, cobalt, vitamin B12 is something your body can't produce on its own, which means you have to get it from your diet or supplements. It's water-soluble, so any excess vitamin B12 is simply excreted through urine, but your body does store it in the liver, where it can remain for up to 5 years. Still, it's possible to become deficient if you're not getting enough of it in your diet. The important benefits of vitamin B12. 1. Essential for red blood cell production. Vitamin B12 plays an important role in the creation of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Every day, your body replaces about 1% of its oldest red blood cells. For new red blood cells to form properly, vitamin B12, along with another nutrient, folate, vitamin B9, is required. If you lack these nutrients, the production of DNA becomes difficult and immature red blood cells begin to die off. This leads to a condition known as anemia. 2. Strong bones and healthy vision. B vitamins, including vitamin B12, are linked to better bone health. Research has suggested that adequate levels of vitamin B12 could lower the risk of osteoporosis, a condition where bones become fragile and more prone to breaking. While taking B12 supplements doesn't guarantee you will avoid bone issues, it's important for overall skeletal health. Another rare but serious condition that arises from a vitamin B12 deficiency is optic neuropathy, which damages the optic nerve and can lead to vision loss. While it's uncommon, if untreated, a lack of B12 could affect your ability to see clearly or cause blind spots. 3. Vitamin B12. In your mood, there's a connection between vitamin B12 and mental health, particularly depression. Low levels of B12 have been observed in individuals dealing with depression. But increasing B12 intake doesn't necessarily lead to an improvement in symptoms for everyone. However, if you screen people for B12 deficiency and provide supplements to those who are low, it may help delay or prevent depression in the future. More research is still needed in this area. 4. Memory and cognitive function. Cognitive decline, memory loss, and confusion have been linked to vitamin B12 deficiency, and there's even evidence suggesting that low B12 levels may be a factor in developing Alzheimer's disease or experiencing a stroke. Some studies have shown that supplementing with B12 can improve cognitive symptoms in people who are deficient. But other studies haven't found a direct correlation between low B12 levels and cognitive decline. This is another area where research is ongoing. 5. Boosting your energy levels. It's common to see energy drinks that boast of high vitamin B12 content. While it's true that B12 has an impact on fatigue and overall energy levels, it's only effective if you're deficient. If you already have adequate levels of B12, taking more won't make you feel more energetic. However, if you're lacking in B12, replenishing your levels can help you feel more energetic and less fatigued. 6. Healthy skin, hair, and nails. A severe vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to skin changes like hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or vitiligo, light patches. Additionally, deficiencies might also cause conditions such as eczema, acne, and mouth ulcers. Interestingly, too much B12 in the body can also trigger similar skin conditions. On the flip side, a lack of B12 has been associated with hair loss, although there's no conclusive evidence to suggest that B12 supplements can help hair grow back if you're not deficient. If you're deficient in B12, you might also notice changes in your nails, which may take on a bluish or grayish tint. Fortunately, once B12 levels are restored, these changes are typically reversed. How much vitamin B12 do you need? Your body's vitamin B12 requirements depend on several factors such as age, dietary habits, health conditions, and medication usage. The general recommended daily intake for vitamin B12 is infants up to 6 months to help children, 0.5 micrograms, kids, 0.9 micrograms, 1.2 micrograms, children, 1.8 micrograms, 2.4 micrograms, 2.4 micrograms, pregnant women, 2.6 micrograms, breastfeeding women, 2.8 micrograms. The best sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is naturally found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy products. For those following a plant-based diet, B12 is often added to fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant milks, and nutritional yeast. What causes vitamin B12 deficiency? If you're concerned about being low on vitamin B12, it's best to consult with your doctor. Deficiency can occur for various reasons, including certain conditions like pernicious anemia or intestinal malabsorption due to diseases like Crohn's or celiac disease can make it difficult for your body to absorb B12 from food. Strict vegan or vegetarian diets, if you avoid animal products entirely, you might not get enough B12 unless you're consuming fortified foods or taking supplements. Alcohol abuse. Heavy drinking can impair your body's ability to absorb B12 and other essential nutrients. Medications. Certain medications like those for heartburn, diabetes, or chemotherapy can interfere with B12 absorption. Pernicious anemia. This is an autoimmune condition that prevents your body from making the intrinsic factor, a protein necessary for absorbing B12. Even with a B12-rich diet or supplements, people with pernicious anemia can't absorb enough of the vitamin. Age. Older adults are at a higher risk of B12 deficiency because their stomachs may not produce enough hydrochloric acid, which is necessary for B12 absorption. Treatment for vitamin B12 deficiency. Treatment depends on the cause of your deficiency. Pernicious anemia or absorption issues, B2X injections may be required initially, with ongoing treatment through supplements or injections. Dietary causes. Simply adding more B12-rich foods or fortified products to your diet can resolve the issue. Older adults' B12 supplements or multivitamins are typically recommended. Medication-related deficiency. In this case, changing medications or addressing alcohol abuse can help restore normal B12 levels. In most cases, treating the deficiency resolves symptoms. However, if nerve damage has occurred due to prolonged B12 deficiency, the damage may be permanent. Preventing vitamin B12 deficiency. While B12 deficiency is uncommon in the general population, it's important to ensure adequate intake, particularly for those on vegan or vegetarian diets. For these individuals, fortified foods or supplements are essential to avoid deficiency. For older adults, making sure you're consuming enough B12 in food or through supplements is crucial as absorption becomes more difficult with age. It's also important to avoid excessive alcohol consumption, which can interfere with B12 absorption. Vitamin B12 overdose? Is it possible? Since vitamin B12 is water-soluble, any excess is typically excreted in your urine. There's no established upper limit for B12, and even very high doses, like 2,000 micrograms, have been shown to cause no harmful side effects. However, some people have reported side effects like acne, rosacea, or heart palpitations after taking very high doses, especially through injections. One study even found a higher death rate among people with the highest levels of B12, but the exact reason remains unclear. Vitamin B12 takeaways. Vitamin B12 is critical for maintaining good health, especially when it comes to DNA production, red blood cell formation, and nervous system development. Low levels can affect everything from energy and mood to cognitive function and physical health. If you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, or if you have a medical condition that interferes with B12 either through fortified foods or supplements, the good news is that with proper treatment, a deficiency can usually be corrected, and many symptoms can be reversed. Now that you know the incredible benefits of vitamin B12, it's clear how vital it is for your overall health. From boosting your energy to preventing serious health problems like anemia and memory loss, B12 is essential. Make sure you're getting enough, either through your diet, supplements, or fortified foods, and consult your doctor if you think you might have a deficiency. Your body and mind will thank you.